Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it has been a while since I've been on YouTube. I stated before in my previous videos that I will only do videos during the holiday season, you know, fall, Halloween, Christmas, New Year's, as I do not have a lot of energy to do this on a regular basis, but I enjoy sharing my ideas. And today I will show you guys how I decorated my living room and foyer for fall. Also, the colors I'm using for fall, Halloween, and for Christmas are my favorite colors: black, gold, and little beige. This beautiful backdrop is from Temu, and it was only a little over $7. And I added my mirror in front of it, and it turned out very pretty. And the little pretty butterflies are also from, bling butterflies are also from Temu. And they were like $3 for 10 in a little small pack. And these beautiful curtains are also from Temu. I purchased them for like maybe 12 bucks. And I love them. That goes quite well with my theme. And now this is my beautiful fireplace entertainment center, and I love how it turned out. I added beautiful picks and Dollar Tree pumpkins onto it, along with a lot of thrifted decor items, and it turned out so pretty and fall-like. And I added a beautiful garland on to it as well. The garland is made with picks and flowers I purchased from Dollar Tree and Amazon. And on top of my cabinet is a DIY centerpiece, and I added Dollar Tree pumpkins and picks inside of it. I didn't do much to my foyer area. I added my DIY centerpiece. I added a lot of beautiful Dollar Tree picks and Michael flowers and leaves to the centerpiece. And above is a wreath. I added a few Dollar Tree picks onto it as well. And on this side, on top of my mirror, is a Dollar Tree sign. I added DIY flowers onto it and leaves from Dollar Tree. And over here is a Dollar Tree garland mixed in with a Amazon garland. It does light up, the Amazon garland does. And that is pretty much it for my foyer area, because I love the way it is. It's very small step down foyer, and that is it. And the beautiful tapestry, large staircase tapestry, I purchased from Amazon many years ago, and it was quite expensive, but I love it.